और अब हम मिलने वाले हैं एक स्पेशल फ्रेंड से जो है जॉर्जियन यूट्यूबर। और हमने सोचा कुछ कोलैबोरेशन की जाए जॉर्जियन यूट्यूबर के साथ और कुछ एक अलग सा वीडियो बनाया जाए और उनसे पूछा जाए कि जॉर्जिया में क्या क्या है, कैसा है। सो अभी वेट कर रहे हैं, वो आने वाले हैं। देन कहीं बैठ के उनसे बात करते हैं। और अभी हमें ये है एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग स्ट्रीट पे। ये इसके बाद हम आपको दिखाएंगे इस स्ट्रीट पे क्या क्या है, बिकॉज इस स्ट्रीट पे काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स के शोरूम्स हैं एंड उस पर काफ़ी अमेजिंग सेल्स लगी है। सो वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे गाइस। और दोस्तों, जैसा मैंने बताया था कि हम लोग मिलने वाले हैं किसी से। सो आवर जॉर्जियन फ्रेंड इज़ हेयर।
Hello, hello.
हेलो
Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you guys. Welcome to Georgia.
from Georgia.
Yes, yes. Life in Georgia.
So we are going to some cafe. वहाँ
Yeah, we will
and
chit-chat
we will
there.
chit chat and come to know more about Georgia.
Yes. Let's go.
That is in Georgian language. This is in English. Live, laugh, and love.
Yo.
This is more important thing. 3L. Live, laugh, and love.
This is the rule of the life.
Exactly.
Live, laugh, and love. Have a chit chat with our Georgian YouTuber friends. So let us see what thoughts is in her mind. What is they want to tell us about Georgia?
Yes, yes. I make it. Okay. Georgia is the one of the best country I ever seen. I live in Tbilisi more than 5 years, and if you come in Georgia, you fall in love in Georgia because there is very old place to visit, and there is a place for try food, try. You can cut something later.
Yeah, we have already loved this place. This is our second trip, and we are enjoying this trip really nice. And I just want to tell you guys, if you want any suggestion about Georgia, where to go, how to book the cars, or how to book a hotel, you can directly contact to Mahi.
Right, thank
She's
you.
an expert in this. She can help you. At the end of the video, I will share the link of Mahi so that you can directly contact.
Thank you very much. Yes, I'm so happy to see you in Georgia, and I know you enjoyed the Georgia because of the food, because of the people, because of the ancient, because of the weather, and I should say you about Georgia. I should think about this a little.
Yeah, guys, and their amazing thing is their sulfur bath. Okay, which is one of the thing which attract us. And I love the wine. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. You can try the wine cha-cha, and there is with traditional method to make. And when you eat and try the Georgian wine, you have a good feeling, very good feeling, very good taste. You can come
Yeah.
here and
How,
taste it.
how you can forget the Georgian food? Georgian food is amazing, and
Amazing.
King Kali is the best thing. You need to try that. And I think the walnuts. The
Yes.
walnuts are I think the base of
Yes,
most of the dishes.
Yes, khinkali, khachapuri, lobiani, lobio, chorchkhala. It's a kind of candy, and I tell you, I forget ajab sandal or very delicious and traditional food. You can try and enjoy that.
And there are a lot of Georgian restaurants. Okay, you can come here and you can try it. And if you want any suggestion regarding the which Georgian restaurant you want to go, you can message.
Thank you very much.
And
Yes.
I have seen some beautiful videos of the restaurant of Mahi where they are doing a traditional dance. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So if you love that, guys, you can contact Mahi and she can tell you where to go.
Yes, Georgian dance and music, Georgian music and Georgian dance is the most of beautiful and old dance and music in the world. You can see and you can come and see the Georgian and Georgian dance. Yes.
And one more thing, like you guys all always planning and asking me about a budget trip where you can go within a limited budget. I think Georgia is the place where you can come within your budget and you can enjoy everything, because from one side Georgia is having a mountain where you can do the snowboarding and skiing everything, and the other side like Batumi you can enjoy the sea, the Black Sea. I'm right?
Yes, yes, sure. You can come and try in the winter and see the falling snow, and you can coming in the
You can come into the summers and
summers.
yeah.
Yes, summer. There's paradise. You can see and you can come and see the paradise in Georgia in the summer.
So guys, I just want to tell you one thing: the Eid holidays are coming in Kuwait and everywhere. So if you have a plan, you can come here and enjoy the vacations.
Yes, and for cheap price, and you can have a cheap travel in Georgia.
And don't worry about the safety norms are kept very high. Okay, there are all the places there is a social distancing and checking of temperatures, and PCR test is readily available every place.
Yes, right, right. We have a very nice and friendly time together. I'm very glad to see you. I'm very glad to see you, and we have more continue.
Yeah, if you like this, you can write down. We can make more collaborative videos together, maybe online. And if you have any questions, we can have a question and answer round videos where on your behalf I can ask the question to Mahi and Mahi can give you the answers.
Yes, sure. Thank you very much.
And just want to tell you one more thing. Mahi is associated with the real estates. So guys, if you are interested in buying some real estate in Georgia, she is the right lady.
Thank you very much. Yes, you can come in and have contact with us.
So guys, we will be finishing this video now and continue a walk. We are at Louis Cafe, and as per the Mahi suggestion, this is one of the good cafe where you can sit and have your coffee and your like pastries.
Yes, yes. I like this cafe because it's family cafe. If you have child or you are a family, it's very good and calm place to use and enjoy your time. Right.
So I got my golden detox. Yeah, this is very good for us because it is having a carrot, orange, and haldi. Uh, so it will detox my internal things because I am drinking every day.
Healthy food,
Yeah,
vegetarian food.
definitely.
Yes, a healthy body, healthy food, and enjoy that. Yes.
So guys, this is a gift from Kuwait to Georgia.
From Kuwait. Oh my God, my.
So I bought some dates.
Oh,
These are Kuwaiti dates.
yes,
Okay.
oh, I'm so happy for that. My God.
And oud.
Oh, this is so memorized for me. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm very surprised. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. It's very beautiful. very value for me. Thank you very much. You make me surprised. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Wow, I like that. If you know what is the date, you know my feeling. After that, you know my feeling. I like that. Formal. Formal.
I think your kids and your husband will love
Yes,
this.
yes. Actually, me, my family, you can't find very good date in Georgia
Yeah.
because it's originally from
Middle
Emirates,
East.
Kuwait.
Yeah.
Yes. And I was very happy for this gift, and I very like. I very missed for date, original date. I know from the color, from the this, everything. I know it's very delicious. I know that. It's very good. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
Dear.
I love that you like our gift.
Yes, sure. I like that. I'm so happy. Thank you very much. You make me surprised.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
So, our friend Mahi liked the Kuwait gifts. Both of them are real Kuwaiti things because dates is from Kuwait and the oud is also from Kuwait.
you. Yes, I like that. I'm so happy. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Jungle sweat, it's sweat with rain. And just remember till you hold me again. You belong to me.
वो जूते देखने पीछे